What's up, guys? It's your boy. Hey, listen, have you been to LIQQ Island yet? Have you been to Nifty Island yet? Well, guess what? Today, I want to give you a 5-step tutorial on what you need to do to get there. But before we begin, I have a riddle. Ready? I'm a place where creatures roam, a digital world, a virtual home. With Bloons to gather, a lick to trade, adventure awaits, a journey to be made. What am I? So what we're going to do today is embark on a journey so that you can discover the answer to this riddle. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps that you need to do to get started on Nifty Island. We're going to cover number 1, creating an account, 2, claiming your free avatar, 3, starting the game, finding LIQQ Island, and making sure that you understand the importance of Bloons and how to acquire them with LIQQ. So let's get started.
Soldier boy, tell him, waka flocka flame.
Now, one thing I need to say is before you get started, you need to make sure you download the software to your computer, depending on if you have a Mac or PC. But once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and log in by connecting your wallet, and this is step 1 of creating your account. So follow all of the on-screen prompts on where you're gonna connect your wallet, create your account, and after you do that, that's step 1, you're gonna head over to the marketplace to do step 2, which is to claim your free avatar. In step 2, you're gonna look under status, look for free claim. Your LIQQ NFT will appear, claim, wait for the appropriate approvals and confirmations, follow the on-screen prompts, and then boom, you're ready to get to step 3, which is to play the game. So now, once your avatar is claimed, you'll be taken through an initial game walkthrough, as you can see in this video right here. This is so that you can become familiar with the new island and some of the basic controls. Now, there are some keyboard in-game controls. Press V on your keyboard to select your avatar in game. You can choose your avatar and then press escape to return to the game. But while you're doing all of that and you get comfortable, step 4 is how to find LIQQ Island. So now we're gonna explore the community island called LIQQ. You simply press M to bring the map up, type in LIQQ Island to locate it, select it from the search results, and you're gonna teleport there. I'm gonna take you on a brief tour around LIQQ Island, as you can see in some parts of this video, including checking out the mansion and the Iron Palm. As you can see, Blue Bob doing his thing. Shout out to the LIQQ founders, guys. Ajito, Endo. Shout out to XR8. Shout out to Broke Soul, y'all. Shout out to Squish. Okay, LIQQ Squad. Shout out to the LIQQ Squad. And everybody else who's a part of the community. Shout out to y'all. Step 5 is you need to understand what Bloons are. What do you do with them? How do you acquire them? Now, Bloons are an important in-game resource that you'll encounter on LIQQ Island. They are a collectible resource that you can gather while you're exploring, and you can use them for various in-game upgrades and crafting, which adds value to your gaming experience. While on LIQQ Island, you can earn Bloons by completing certain tasks or challenges. Now, we've made it to the end. It was 5 steps. I had to make it real quick. So if you follow these 5 steps, this will get you onto Nifty Island, onto LIQQ Island on Nifty Island. So number 1, you should know how to create your account, claim your free avatar, start the game, find LIQQ Island, and you should know and understand how to collect and use Bloons. So I think with all these basics, I think you're set. I think you're ready to dive into the game. Are you ready? Go ahead and enjoy your experience, y'all. Ready for the riddle? I'm a place where creatures roam, a digital world, a virtual home. With Bloons to gather, a lick to trade, adventure awaits, a journey to be made. What am I? Ready for the answer to the riddle? I'm sure you figured it by now. LIQQ Island. Catch y'all on the next one.
They gon' flock to the chain when I tell them. Peep game, we gon' buy, we gon' sell them. Make games, make it rain, get me trending, lending. Sending coin cause I'm the bank. Front the wallet with the quickness, yeah, you gon' thank me. Block the block, I got the key, secure ID lock, they ain't seeing me. Hopping chain to chain, omni access.